taken a problem from S.C. Verma, and for me I consider it's a very important problem. So the problem is, four particles each having a charge q are placed on the four vertices of a regular pentagon. So a regular pentagon, and we know that there are five vertices, and out of five, four vertices having charge q. Obviously one vertex is free from charge, and the distance of each corner from the center is a. Find the electric field at the center of the pentagon. Find the electric field at the center of the pentagon. Now, before going to the solution directly, let's discuss some other thing also. This is a regular pentagon. If each vertex or each corner of this pentagon, if equal amount of charge is placed, that is q charge, q charge, q charge, q charge, q charge, then electric field at the center is going to be zero. So this is the thing which I want to convey you, that if all the vertices are engaged with equal amount of charge, then the net electric field is going to be zero. Be it pentagon, this is a regular hexagon, the same story. If you put q charge in 6 vertices of this regular hexagon, the net electric field you will observe at the center, that means at this point, is going to be zero. The story is not different for a square. If you place q charge in all the four corners of a square, you will find that at the center of the square, net electric field is going to be zero. And if you take a three-dimensional figure like cube, how many corners are there? There are 8 corners in a cube, and if you engage all the 8 corners with equal charges, then again you will observe that at the center of the cube, electric field is going to be zero. If it is an equilateral triangle, and if you place equal amount of charge in all the 3 vertices of that equilateral triangle, again electric field at the center is going to be zero. Now what this concept will help in solving our given problem, let's discuss that. Now in our problem, 4 corners are engaged with a charge q, and 5th corner is free from charge. So if there had been a charge q, the net field would have been zero here at the center, and it is given in the question that this distance is a. All these distance are a. Now if we put a charge q, if you assume a charge q, it will make a net field zero here. That means this charge q has an effect which is equal to the effect of these 4 charges in opposite direction. That means if this charge has an effect x in a direction, that effect will be cancelled by these 4 charges, and it will make 0 here. That means if there had been a charge q here, This charge q has the ability to cancel the effect of all these 4 charges. That means in a regular figure every charge has the ability to neglect the effect of other rest charges. Clear? So this 4 charge will have the same effect which this single charge will have, but in opposite direction. So now my question is very easy. So instead of finding the effect of 4 charge, I will find the effect of a single charge here. And what will be the effect of this single charge? The effect of this single charge, that is the field which I require to find out, this field is going to be E 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by the side is A. So it is going to be A square. A is given. So the 4 charge will have the effect this, which is equal to the effect of the single fifth charge. So we will apply the same logic if in place of pentagon, if we are asked for a hexagon. So suppose if 5 vertices are engaged, this is a hexagon. If 5 vertices are engaged with charge q, and if you were asked to find what will be the net effect of these 5 charge, instead of finding the effect of 5 different charges, we will find the effect of a single charge. And if this distance is a, in that case again we will have the effect of single charge. And effect of single charge, if this distance has been a, it is again going to be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a square. So the effect of single charge will cancel the effect of 5 different charges, and altogether if the all vertices are engaged with charge q, we will have a field 0 here. That means every charge cancels the effect of other 5 charges. So in case of hexagon or in case of pentagon, we follow the same logic. If one vertex is free and other 4 vertices are engaged, so instead of finding the effect of all 4 vertices, we will find the effect of a single charge which we will consider that is placed in the blank vertex or blank corner. Okay, so here your answer is going to be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a square. Let's verify the answer. So you can clearly see the answer here. It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a square. Okay.